Okay, so in this video I'm going to go over how to set up a business email or just any email account within Gmail where you want to download it from an external hosting account. So in most cases you have a personal Gmail account where you want to send email out as whatever your domain is. So in my instance it's going to be jason@jetfuel.com, and so to do so, what you need to do in Gmail is just go into the upper right hand corner for settings and click on the settings menu link, and then click on accounts and import. And what you're going to see is two different sections that we actually need to fill out. To send email out as, in my case, jason@jetfuel.com, I need to add this one. And then to check the email, so to download email from the JetFuel server, I need to fill out this as well. So the first step we're going to go through, and just going to go Jason Noel, and just so that I know jet fuel, so I'm going to type that in. So you're going to type in your email address and then whatever name you want. We do want to treat it as an alias, so make sure that is checked. Click on next step, and then these settings, the SMTP settings, you're going to actually get from your own hosting account. So whether it's GoDaddy or HostMonster or Green Geeks or whatever it is, you're going to want to ask them what the SMTP settings are for a secure SSL connection. So on my server, it's going to be, let me grab it here. So outgoing, it's going to be that, and then you're want to grab the port number, which in my case is 465. The username most commonly is going to be the full email address. Oops. And then whatever your password is, I'll go ahead and type mine in. Secure connection, make sure that is checked, or the radio button is checked, and then click on add account. And so what Gmail does is that they're going to send you an email with a verification number to the JetFuel email. So what you're going to want to do is go over to your server. So I'm going to go over to my server right now and then access the webmail. And the most common types of webmail on a cPanel hosting account, if you're using Linux, is either Horde, Roundcube, or Squirrel Mail, which don't have amazing user interfaces or functionality. So I'll go over there and copy it here. I'll just come over and paste it and click verify. And then that is actually verified, so you'll actually see the Jason Noel, jetfuel.com. And what you can do, keep in mind, is that there's two settings here. It automatically, your main Gmail account is set as the default. If you always want to send out as like your business email or your @whatever domainname.com, you can go ahead and click the icon here or the button to make it the default one. So that's completely up to you. So to finish setting it up, we're going to go ahead and check the email from that account, which there's no account, or there's no email in there currently, but except for the Gmail ones that they just sent for verification. So we're going to do Jason@JetFuel. So you're going to type in the same email address that you want to send out. Import emails from my other account, Pop3. Obviously just leave that checked, and then type in the username, same thing, your password, pop server, and so again, go back over and grab the SSL incoming server from your hosting account, and so I'm going to paste that in there. And then the Pop3 settings is going to be 995 for me, so just select whichever one is on yours. I usually leave this unchecked where it says leave a copy on the server. You don't want your server just to fill up with email, but again, it's just depending on your preferences. I leave it off checked. Always use a secure connection, as well as I leave this checked because I like them labeled as jet fuel, and you'll see why here in a second. It depends if you want to automatically archive them. I do not, because I want them to go to my inbox, and I'll show you that here in a second. So we're going to go ahead and add an account, and then once it once it succeeds, it will go ahead and add it here through your Pop3. So one of the things to keep in mind is that Gmail does not automatically check emails instantly all the time. Okay, they do it periodically based on their schedule or what they want. So if you have like an instant dialogue going back and forth with other emails, you may want to go back into the settings, account import, and check the email, or make sure that you can grab that. Okay, It's just one downfall with the free version of Gmail. If you want paid Google Business, then go ahead and click on that one. But then other than that, all of the emails should be downloading here, and then they should be labeled. And again, I don't have any emails here. Let me see here. That's coming in from jet fuel. So that's why they're not being displayed here. Check email now. No emails fetched. Let's see if it grabs some here. So, but if your email box is full with your Pop3, then it'll start downloading them, and you'll see your email, your inbox starting to fill up here with new emails. So anyway, that's how you set up your outgoing and incoming mail servers within Gmail. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks.